how to generate voice from text without watermark. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply open any browser in our phone, but I will recommend you Google Chrome. So simply open that. Here you guys will simply search for love voice AI. So I will simply search for love voice AI. Once we search for that, here you guys will see that first website. Simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see on top right corner three lines. Simply click on that, and after that sign up. Once you sign up, the interface will be look like that. Here you guys will simply paste your script. Once we copy our script, we will simply paste here. Now here you guys can see languages. Why? So simply click on languages and you guys can select any language, and after that you guys can paste that language text and it will be converted to that language. Also you guys can see the voices. We guys can see 12, 13 voices. So you choose your favorite one. So I will simply choose my Eric mail, and after that click on generate audio. Once we click on that, our voice generation will be started. After some seconds, our voice was ready. Here we go. You guys can listen.
Noah saw a woman standing on a bridge, crying. He stopped his car and simply said, "Hey, it's gonna be okay."
Thanks for watching.